Do you know what makes a fan rotate, or your phone to work, a car to move, or how do you even breathe? There is only one answer behind all of this, that is energy. Today, let's understand what energy is and the different form in which it exists in the simplest way possible. Energy is the ability to do work. If something can move, heat up, produce light, produce sound, or cause some change, everything has energy. Without energy, nothing can happen. Energy exists in different forms. Let's look at the most important ones we experience in daily life. First, let's look at kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Whenever something is moving, like a running car, flowing water, flying football, moving train, spinning fan, everything has kinetic energy. Let's look at thermal energy. When particles vibrate fast, heat is produced. Hot coffee, boiling water, steam, fire all have thermal energy. The hotter something is, the more thermal energy it has. Now let's look at potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy. The energy an object has because of its position or shape. For example, water stored in a dam, a stretched rubber band, a book kept on a shelf, or a fuel stored in petrol tank. Here is sound energy. Sound is produced when objects vibrate. A speaker cone, guitar string, tuning fork, vocal cords, all vibrations create sound energy. Let's look at electrical energy. This is the most widely used form today. It is basically the flow of electrons. Electricity powers phones, TV, fridge, lights, trains, computers, literally everything. Light energy. Light is the form of energy that travels as light waves and allows us to see things. For example, the sun, bulbs, torches, fire, screens all emit light energy. Light allows us to see the world. Plants use light for photosynthesis. Here is chemical energy. Chemical energy is hidden energy which is stored inside things like food, fuel, batteries, and chemicals. It comes only when a chemical reaction occurs. For example, our body runs on chemical energy from food. Car runs on chemical energy in petrol. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. This energy is released when the nucleus splits or joins with another nucleus. Huge amounts of energy is released during nuclear reactions. Sun gets its energy from nuclear fusion, while nuclear plants produce electricity from nuclear fission. Conversion of energy. Energy can change from one form to another. For example, water stored in a dam falls and rotates turbines, producing electricity. Here, potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, and from that, electrical energy is extracted. So, this is all about energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. Energy is the driving force behind everything in our universe. Thank you.